karışık. Süper. Peynir ve kıymalı. This is börek, and I've ordered 3 different types. It's a savory pastry, and this one has minced meat, cheese, and spinach. And these are all types of su böreği, which means that the pastry dough has been first boiled, then filled, and then baked in an oven. There's another variety of börek where it's not boiled, but just filled and then put in the oven. And börek is eaten as a breakfast food. Instead of having the full Turkish breakfast, some people just pick up börek and eat it on their way to work or at the office. It's kind of like lasagna. It really reminds me of lasagna. It's always served with chai, black tea. Try the spinach one. So when it's boiled, the dough becomes almost like a noodle, but when it's not boiled, it's more flaky, like a pastry.